Hello my gems and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be partnering with ORS to show you guys how I achieve this beautiful dragon fruit color, and guess what? It's temporary. So stay tuned to see the steps of the process that I use to create this look. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair and applying gloves, and then I'm going to be using the ORS Color Blast and the color Dragon Fruit. And I just started off by applying it to the ends of my hair because I want to see how quickly it absorbed to my hair and how bright the color really was. And after getting a little inkling of how it's working, as you can see, it's absorbing to my hair pretty quickly, and I love how easy it is to apply. One thing I did notice as well is that the color itself is popping, not just in the color treated section of my hair where it's lighter at the ends, which is more of a blonde, but even at my roots, which are much darker, closer to like a 1B jet black color, you can see that the color is still popping. The other thing that I am really noticing and loving about this product is that I'm applying it to my hair, and this is the only product that I'm using, and as you can see, it's giving me that color that I'm looking for, but it also is giving my curls some definition too. So it does feel like more of a wax kind of consistency, so it does give that definition and making sure that my curls are popping and feeling hydrated at the same time. So I like that. It doesn't feel like a dried out, crusty, temporary hair color solution. I do love how my curls look and how they feel. So now I am just applying the color all over my hair here. So I got pretty much the back section all complete. You can put additional layers on if you want, if you feel like you want the color to be more saturated. I kind of like how my roots have that darker look to it, so I'm not taking it all the way to my scalp. Looks like a more of a natural transition to it as well. So I am going to apply it not only to this back section, but the rest of my hair, so you guys can see what this color looks like on my full head. But do y'all see these curls though? Okay. So I've applied the color into my entire head, and then boom, I got me a little beat too, baby. You see me? You see me? So I am in love with this color. It is bright and vivacious. It's not something that I would normally do on a permanent hair color, but I love that I can use this for a nice fun weekend. If I want to do something for even longer, maybe on a vacation, I can have this pop of color and wash it out whenever I want to. I love how defined my curls are, as well as how bright the color is throughout my entire head, even on the darker roots. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and tutorial how I use the ORS Color Blast to achieve this look with my temporary color solution. If you had any questions about this video, please make sure to leave them below. Otherwise, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and notification bell as well should be hit so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. And if you aren't already, please make sure to check me out on my social media pages at 2BRuby on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter, so you can see some more behind the scenes content of my daily life. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye my gems.